Splash. Who is swimming in the misty rivers of old China? It's the ancient river dolphin, called the baiji. Let's dive in and meet this amazing animal. Look at the baiji's long, pointy nose. It helps them find fish hiding in the water. Their skin is light blue-gray, just like the river on a cloudy day. Baiji dolphins have small eyes. That's because the river water is very muddy, so they use sounds to see. Isn't that cool? They make little clicks and listen for echoes to find their way. Baiji dolphins love to swim with their families. They jump, splash, and twirl together. Sometimes they even leap out of the water. In the old days, people in China would see baiji dolphins gliding through the Yangtze River. The dolphins liked calm, gentle water and ate lots of yummy fish. Wow! Did you know the baiji dolphin was called the goddess of the Yangtze? People thought they were very special and lucky to see. What a magical animal. Next time you see a river, imagine ancient dolphins swimming by. Want to make your own fascinating videos for fun or profit? Click the description link to get started today.